Hey friends, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you've never been here before. My name is Holly. I do tons of Disney and other lifestyle content, and you may be wondering why I look so weird. It's because I've been doing about half my makeup. I've done about half my makeup, and today we are unboxing the Colourpop X Star Wars collection, at least the pieces that I bought. So I only got 3 things from this collection because I am currently trying to be a very well-restrained purchaser and not buy too much. I bought this and a couple other things from Box Lunch for my birthday, but that is it. And yeah, so first we have the palette. Obviously I had to pick up the palette because obviously I'm gonna buy the palette. I don't know what else to say about it. And I would just like to say I am also wearing the same art on my t-shirt, and I'm just feeling like this is a whole Star Wars moment, and I love it. I also picked up one of the lip glosses and one of the lipsticks. I picked up Imperial and Dark Lord, so I'll be putting both of these on. But I wanted to do a little tutorial today with the palette to show you guys kind of how I would use it. So super cute. I hope that the artwork is on the inside. Yes, it is. Okay, so the same artwork is on the inside again. I just love OG trilogy stuff. It's so retro, nostalgic. I'm obsessed. So this has 15 shades in it. Quite a few shimmery ones, quite a few sparkly ones, and 2 really cool shades. What is this one? Oh my gosh. Did y'all see that? Rebel Princess just straight up fell out of the palette. I literally just unboxed it and it fell out of the palette. So we're gonna see if we can fix that. But Outer Rim is really cool. And then Space Pirate right here is really unique. So I'm going to see if I can go salvage Rebel Princess. It wasn't like the pan, it was like the actual, oh my gosh, eyeshadow that fell out. Okay, I'm really stamping it down in there. Hopefully she doesn't fall out again. Oh my goodness, okay. All right, let's zoom you guys in so you can see what I'm doing a little better. Is that good? Can you see my face okay? Okay. Mama! Let's actually, before we jump into this, let's go ahead and swatch the lip gloss and lipstick that I bought. So I bought the lipstick. This is the Cream Luxe lipstick in Dark Lord. It's Vader themed, as you can see. I feel like more of a YouTuber like this. I feel like this looks better. I don't know what it is. So, oh, cute. I really like the packaging on this. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like very, oh yeah, you can. It's very sparkly. So freaking cute. Sorry if my nails are disgusting. I replanted my garden yesterday, so. And then it is a true nude, but what I love is that they put these cool star details. No, don't focus on me. Focus on the lipstick. They put these cool star details around the bullet, which is just so freaking cool. I feel like I need to take a picture before I use it. It's fine. I'm going to use it. Okay. We're going to put this guy on. Oh, I love this shade. I really wanted like a good nude shade for me. I'm just not really into bold lip colors recently. So this is perfect. Love this. This is going to be going in my everyday makeup bag. And then we've also got the Star Wars. This is Imperial Stormtrooper themed. Ooh, I like the sides. That's fun. This is a lip gloss. Yeah, Luxe lip gloss. So let's open her up. She's being annoying. I hate when I have to like rip the packaging because I don't want to ruin it. So, ooh, super cute. Once again, got that kind of foiled Star Wars look, and then the silver sparkled in the black. This is like a peachy pinky kind of super sparkly lip gloss shade. So I'm just gonna throw this on top. Cute. This is definitely the kind of lip that can pretty much match anything you're trying to do on your face. So, or on your eyes, I mean. So yeah. Yay, I love it. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, let's finally get into the eyes. I know I've been taking forever to get there. We're gonna get into it. Okay, let's go. Let's do this thing. All right, the first color I'm gonna go into is Starfighter, which is this super light nude here, just to kind of lay down a little bit of a base, and I'm using a super fluffy brush to do that. And I'm just going to kind of put this everywhere, but focusing kind of on my crease and diffusing it out towards the direction of my eyebrow. Okay, now I've just got a little bit of some shadow laid down so that we have a little bit of depth to the eye. I can't talk today. So now I'm going to take, let's see. I'm going to start with this kind of flat, focus, this kind of flat brush here. And I'm going to go into Republic, which is this darker red shade down here. And I'm going to start laying that down all across my lid. I feel like this is a tad more purple on my lid than I felt like it was in the swatch. It's a little bit more berry than like a dark red. But that's okay. We're still gonna work with it. And this doesn't have to be pretty because we're gonna blend it out here in a second. I'm just really wanting to pack the color. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to take a smaller but still slightly fluffy brush, and I'm going to use that same color, Republic, this dark berry, and I'm going to start blending it out. Then using a totally blank other crease brush, I'm just going to continue. I'm not putting any color on this whatsoever. I'm just continuing to diffuse this color out so there aren't any like weird harsh lines or anything. I feel like that had a little bit of some kind of color on it, like a dark color, and I didn't realize it, but it's fine. Everything's okay. Okay, going back into Republic with my shorter crease brush, I'm going to continue buffing out my other eye. All right, now we've got some super diffused out berry color here. Before I move on, I'm going to take, I really need to clean my brushes. I'm just gonna take like a small flat-headed brush, and I'm just going to use Rebel Princess, that white shade, and I'm going to put that right underneath my brows as a little bit of a brow highlight. And then I'm also gonna add a little bit of that to the inner corners. Cute. Okay, moving on. All right, next I'm going to go in with outer rim, and I think I might just go in with my finger on this one. This is one of the ones that says you're not supposed to use it your immediate eye area, but oops. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. How are you not supposed to use this on your eyes? It's so pretty. And I'm mainly just focusing this on my lid and then just kind of like dabbling it above my crease with whatever's left over on my finger. But focusing most of the pigment and color on my lid. Look how freaking pretty, you guys. I hope you can like see this well on camera. How fun. This is turning out way more purpley than the Wanda-ish look I was going for, but that's totally fine. I feel like I still have some little bit of harsh lines up top. So I'm just going to take that big fluffy brush that I started with, and I'm just going to once again buff this out a little bit to try and get rid of those harsh lines there. That's a little better. All right, I need this look to be a little bit more Wanda-y for the purposes of the show tonight. So I'm going to take a really small brush. This one's really meant for liner, but it'll work for this purposes. I'm just taking a really small brush, and I'm actually going to go into Galactic Empire, which is this bright red sparkly shade right here. And I'm going to just kind of dab this up sort of like the center of my eye, and then diffuse it either direction a little bit just to give us a little bit of a pop of red. And I'm just continuing to layer that until it's giving the effect that I want. I really want it to show up more red. So I just continued layering that up until it showed off red. I feel like it looks a lot worse on camera than it does in person. Why is that? I feel like it looks really cute in person, and I feel like on camera it's looking a little rough. That's okay. We're gonna keep going. All right, next I'm gonna continue with Galactic Empire, which is that bright red. And I'm going to see how this looks if I put it underneath my lashes. I'm really hoping I don't ruin this look and make it look weird. Okay, now I'm just going to take like a really small fluffy brush and diffuse that out a little bit just so it's not as like harsh of a line. And then I'm going to take just a little bit of Republic on this and just put it a little tiny little bit underneath the outer corner underneath my lashes just to give it some depth. I feel like sometimes the key is to just keep going until it looks how you want it to look. Cute! Okay. I'm liking this look, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm liking this look. Okay. All right, next up, I think it's time for some lashes and some liner. So, I'm gonna do a little bit of black eyeliner. Okay, sweet. Now it's time for some lashes, and I feel like lashes always just make a look. I have these lashes from Glamnetic. I got these in my BoxyCharm forever ago, and I haven't used them yet, and I couldn't find any other lashes. So I'm finally gonna use these. I haven't done the Glamnetic lashes in so long, which it comes with an eyeliner and then it like magnets to the eyeliner. So it's a little bit different than the usual process of putting lashes on. We're gonna do a little baby wing just because I just feel like it's cute. I don't know. I don't need to justify myself. All right. Then just taking my tweezers, and now every time I put on Glamnetic lashes, because like I said, it's been a long time since I've used these, I'm like annoyed at how freaking easy it is. Because I'm like, why do I just not always buy these? Granted, they're a lot more expensive, but why do I just not always buy them? Because it's so easy. I feel like it would be kind of cool to do a little bit of like an inner corner liner situation. But I don't want to ruin my look. What if I ruin it? Oh no. I regret it. It's been a long time since I've done like the inner corner thing. I regret it. Maybe once I get some mascara on, I'll feel better about it. But right now, I'm not feeling good about it. I'm not feeling good about it. Not feeling good about it. Okay. All right. Let's get this other lash on. Especially because I've messed this one up. So now they're not even. Oh, it's so bad. Okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. It's fine. I ruined it, but it's fine. Okay. Let's do a quick tiny curl. All right, I'm gonna try and make this one even with that one because it's really bothering me. Okay, that's not better, but okay. Why? This lash is also not sticking on the inside for some reason. Okay, I think it's staying now. I think I got it fixed. I feel like this went south so quickly. We were doing really well, and then just quickly, like, became chaotic. Okay. I think we're done here. I really need to take these off. They look so bad. No. I already feel better about it. Oh my god. Okay. We're just going to patch these up. Oh my gosh. Okay. This was such a freaking fiasco, but it's okay. It's okay. So much better. Am I wrong? You have to admit, worth it to have to fix it because that's so much better. Only thing I'm going to do is add back in my little bit of Rebel Princess that I had. I did like the extra little bit of sparkle and brightening. Okay, we're done. I'm calling it quits. I hope you guys like this look. I feel like it doesn't look good on camera. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like it's not coming across on camera how it looks in person. Also, there's a hair on my face. Where is it? Okay, you guys, I'm officially done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like it started off so strong and then quickly turned in quite a fiasco. So thank you for sticking along. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and hit that red subscribe button down below to come hang out with me more on the channel. Like I said earlier, I do Disney and other lifestyle content. So if that's your jam, come hang out with me. Also, leave me a comment below and let me know what Colourpop X whatever, like, collection was your favorite. I absolutely loved the Princess collection, and obviously I love anything Star Wars that they're doing. So my prayer is that they do a prequel related collection, because the prequels don't get any love, and all I'm saying is that any eyeshadow themed off of Padme I would wear every day of my life. And also with the Obi-Wan series coming out, an Obi-Wan or an Anakin palette, or Obi-Wan versus Anakin palette would be so freaking cool. So yeah, hopefully we can get some cool more stuff from Star Wars / Colourpop. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.